Cool. All right, we're about a minute past. I think that's a good amount of time for people to have filtered in. And of course, a quick reminder that this session is being recorded. So we will be able to share this with you guys for anyone who has missed it. So don't fret too much if you missed any part of it. But I do want to say good morning and thank you all for joining us for today's webinar on the new main listings member benefit, RE technology. So we're thrilled to have you guys here to explore the innovative tools and the resources available to help you guys thrive in this ever-changing real estate market. We especially know that now. With that being said, let's get started. Tom, who is the Vice President of Sales for RE Technology, the floor is yours.
All right, Tyler, thank you so much for that introduction. Always great to see you. Welcome, everyone. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us here today. We are so excited to be here with you. Folks, we're going to give you a quick demo of this great new free benefit, like Tyler said, show you how to use it, what it's all about, what the value is. But like Tyler hinted at, right, it has been a year for real estate professionals. You've got, you've had a lot of challenges. You've made it through, congrats to all of you. Hopefully next year is going to be a lot better. But agents across the board are reevaluating their tech solutions, right? They're looking for, what's going to give them that sort of that edge and help them grow their business in the year to come. And so where do you look for real estate technology education? Well, RE Technology is that source for tech information for you guys. And this is in partnership with Main Listings. You're getting this absolutely free. They're really invested in your education, getting you guys motivated. And this is one great way, one great benefit to help do that. So at any time today, folks, if you have questions, please use the chat box. We want to be a resource for you. Use us while you've got us, right? We're here today. So type those questions in. I'll answer those as we go throughout the presentation here today. Love to see that you guys know how to use that chat box, get that participation going. So if you'd like, type in there how long you've been in the real estate business, whether you're a new agent, a couple of years, or you've been doing this for 20 plus years, share with us. We love to see the different levels of experience that we have in the session here this morning. But we'll keep this quick. I do see April, 35 years. Awesome. Welcome, April. Gary, 22. Nancy, 24. We've got some experienced agents here today, 8 months, 4 years, 2 years. So guys, wherever you are in your business, we're going to provide you quality education, motivation to help you grow. And so let's go ahead and get started here. Like I said, we partner with over 130 different MLSs across the country to bring that top tier quality education directly to agents, brokers, MLS executives, real estate professionals, all across the country. Now, if at any point today you're like, I love it, I've got to go sign up, I want to go get started, you can always access RE Technology directly through your dashboard. You'll look for this little logo here, it says RE Technology. Super easy for you to go and access this benefit at any time. You will have to log in at one point. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But what do we actually offer? What are you getting with this great benefit? Well, there's 4 key pieces of value, okay? First one is going to be a real estate directory of tech companies and products, solutions. We also do daily articles filled with education, motivation, hands-on webinars every month. And then we bring you some great exclusive member discounts and special offers. It's one of my favorite pieces. Agents who use RE Technology to its fullest potential, they're saving potentially thousands of dollars every year when it comes to their tech solutions. And so we're excited to share this with you. Now let's dive in a little bit here, folks. So that first piece, that tech directory, I'm sure all of you have been through this where you're searching for a new piece of tech, right? Maybe you're looking for a new website, right? Or a new CRM. And you go to Google and you type in CRM and you get 1.5 million results. Most of them have nothing to do with real estate, right? And that doesn't really give you any benefit. So when you're looking for new tech, come to RE Technology first, folks. You can search by category. You can look for lead gen, websites. You can look for social media automation, whatever it may be. Find different products that are real estate specific, that are trusted brands, and learn all about them. You can compare and contrast them. Oftentimes, like I said, we might even have some type of special offer for some of those. So when you're looking for new tech, this should be the place that you start. Super easy to search. You all get access to this directory based on your audience. If you're a broker, you'll see broker products, agents will see agent products, and anyone from the MLS will see MLS products. Okay, guys. So again, first place you should look when shopping for new tech, come to that directory and you can get connected with all of those real estate specific products. Okay, so any questions there, guys? Go ahead, type those in the chat box. And we'll get those answered for you. But again, you can see a nice example here from Constant Contact. They've got a company overview, they have video content, upcoming webinars, they have links to their products, links to actually connect with their sales team if you wanted to connect with them. And so great opportunity when you're looking for new tech, start with that RE Technology directory. But anyway, don't see any questions, so we'll keep moving. Next piece of value, and this is super important, guys, we do daily newsletters. So there is no better way to start your morning than with an RE Technology newsletter. It is full of education, motivation to really get you inspired, get your day started the right way. Now, to be clear, this is not, negative headlines about what's happening in the industry this year, or scandals at different professional organizations, things like that. This is tactical, practical information. 5 ways you can increase your SEO, 5 ways to increase your digital brand, 100 things listing agents can do for their clients. These are tactical strategies tailored to your audience, whether you're an agent or a broker, for how to improve your business today. All right, it's up to you. You can get these every day if you'd like. We'll also include some industry news updates. You can see what's happening across the real estate industry. And again, that's targeted to your audience, guys. Okay, so you get those every day. We do a top 5 articles of the week. So once a week, you can get the top 5 best performing articles that agents, brokers loved across the industry. You also have a weekly recap where you can get all of the content we shared throughout the week at the end of the week. So if you don't want to hear from us every day, you certainly don't have to. You can still get all of that great content at the end of the week in the weekly recap. Now, we also offer a Friday freebie. So do this about once a month, where we're going to send out a free offer for you guys. It is totally free. There's no cost, and you get access to these. So we'll curate some great free offers. This was a great free trial from Constant Contact, I believe, with a 60-day free trial. All right, guys. So awesome opportunities to go and get started there. You can actually see we had another offer here on the top where you had 30 days of free leads from listings to leads. So great way to save money when it comes to tech. Try new products risk-free. Okay. Now, here's a little bit quick example of that weekly recap. Again, folks, you can get all of that great content once per week rather than hearing from us every single day. So totally up to you what frequency you'd like to hear from us. Sure, I didn't skip anything. Next piece are the monthly webinars. So every month, we're going to bring you a number of great webinar sessions. Now, these might be thought leadership panels, right? They might be in-depth product demos, educational classes about social media, lead gen, AI. Some of this will be great for beginners, right? For example, 5 techniques to build your digital brand. Some of this might be, very like the future of AI, right? This was one we did with Dell Technologies. Where is AI going over the next 10 years? Higher level. We've got a broker example here, recruitment success in 2024, and even some for MLS executives and professionals as well. Wherever you are in your business, we're going to have content for you. And it's great engaging content, great way to learn more and stay up to date and ahead of the curve when it comes to real estate tech. So definitely want to keep you updated on these. There's a couple of ways you can learn about upcoming webinars. One will be through newsletter ads and on our website ads, but also through our dedicated email channel, where we'll send you updates about any upcoming webinars. Oftentimes your MLS will promote them as well internally. And then finally, we have our curated deals and special offers. So folks, this is one of my favorite ways. Favorite ways to save money here, right? And I've actually used some of these. I know we've got Jason on the call. He's used some. But we work with hundreds of different tech companies. We build incredible relationships with them. When they want to do a special offer or promotion, they come to us first, and we pass those on to all of you, right? All of our subscribers get access to these. We do these probably about once or twice a month as well. This was a great example here, one that we did with Dell Technologies. Now, they gave our subscribers a 30% off coupon. That was the best discount that I could find anywhere. I used it last fall. I needed a new monitor. This was good for things like Adobe, Microsoft Office, computers. You could use it on a whole computer. And they gave you guys advanced or enhanced advisory services for small businesses. You could meet with an advisor to see what was the right tool for your business. So this is just one example. Like I said, we bring these to you every month, oftentimes a few times per month. And so awesome way to save money. You could save thousands, per year if you're getting access to these great curated deals and special offers that are exclusive to RE Technology readers. And, we do a lot of conference coupon codes, all kinds of different things. So great way to save money there, guys, and make sure, again, you're able to try some of this new tech at very, very limited risk. Okay. So I know everyone's always asking, well, how much is this going to cost, right? Subscriptions can go for a few $100s a year. Typically, agents pay $240 per year. Brokers pay $360 if they come to us outside of an MLS. You are all going to receive this benefit absolutely free, provided through Main Listings. So big round of applause for Main Listings. Big thanks to them for getting you guys access to this. Again, doubling down on that education, really investing in you guys to make sure that you can be the best agents, the best brokers that you possibly can be. Again, this is going to be absolutely free. I see a few of you in the chat. Thank you, Main Listings. Right. Awesome opportunity there. How do you access this? Well, first, today, actually earlier this morning, all of you received an email, right? This is what it looks like. Subject line was find the tips and technology to transform your business and save thousands. So you look for that email that's in your inbox right now, and there's going to be a specific link that we created just for you. You click that link. It's going to allow you to go and claim your subscription. Folks, you'll reset your password. You'll set that up. You'll opt into your email preferences. I'll show you that in a second. But go claim that subscription, right? Try it, get full access to it. If for whatever reason you don't have that email, or you're watching this recording later, a few days later, you can access this benefit at any time right from your dashboard. You sign into your Main Listings dashboard. Again, you'll see that RE Technology logo. You click that. It's going to take you over to a branded landing page where you will register for your account. It's going to save you that $200 per year. You're not going to have to pay anything when you use this link. Okay, so make sure that you're accessing it either through the emails that we send you, send you some more throughout the year, or from the Main Listings dashboard. Okay, again, that's how you're getting this great benefit. So once you've created your account, either through the email or through that dashboard, folks, you're going to go in and you're going to, someone asked the subscription, only a 1-year time frame. Folks, you're going to have this as of right now for the next 3 years, absolutely no cost. I'm sure we'll continue to do it after that, but for right now, you've got it for the next 3 years at no cost for you guys. So awesome opportunity to take full advantage of this. But once you log in, so for the email preferences, we want to make sure that you're getting everything we talked about here today, right? So important. So once you log in, you create that account, you're going to want to select your email preferences. Now, if you select daily, you're going to get daily educational content delivered straight to your inbox, folks. If that's a little too much, you want to hear from us less, select the weekly newsletter. You'll still get all the great content, the top 5, all that kind of good stuff at the end of the week. So you'll hear from us a little bit less. You're still going to get all the same great content. But so important, if you want to hear about the webinar updates, you want to stay up to date on any announcements, special offers, those deals like I showed you with Dell, it's very important that you select the membership rewards piece, okay? You've got to be opted into that in order to learn about all those great pieces that come along with this free benefit. So make sure you're selected for at least the weekly and those membership rewards. And then if you'd like to hear from us more often, you can opt into the daily newsletter as well and get that every single day. So any questions on sort of how to access this? But any other questions, folks, on how to access this? That's, what you get those 4 big pieces, the technology directory, you get the special offers, the webinars, and then those newsletters filled with great content curated for your audience. Someone asked, do we need a coupon code? They're asking for a credit card. Absolutely not. You should not need a coupon code or a credit card in order to register for this subscription. So if you're accessing it through the Main Listings dashboard, it should not be asking for a credit card. Again, this will be free. If you just went to retechnology.com and tried to sign up, they will try to charge you. So you want to make sure that you access this through the Main Listings dashboard, right? You go to that tile. I'll show you again. Rebecca, maybe you can give us some feedback if you were using that tile or not. But if you access this through your dashboard, again, it's a benefit from main listings. It should be absolutely free. It should not ask you for a credit card or anything like that. You can get logged in super easy and get registered there. Okay, so at any time, folks, again, you always have this available through that main listings dashboard. So with that, if there's any other questions, we are super excited to launch this in partnership with Main Listings. We've worked with them for a long time on a number of projects. Excited to bring this great free benefit to all of you. I know they are as well. At any time, if you want to reach out to us at RE Technology, you certainly can. I can throw my, or maybe Jason, you can throw the customer service email in the chat box. But we'd love to hear from you guys. Main listings would be happy to help you guys if you're having issues as well. They can assist you, but we want to make sure that you all have access to this great free benefit. Any other questions, folks? Type those in the chat box and we will get those answered for you. But with that, we'll probably wrap it up in just a second. We've got that customer service link in the chat box there, the email address. If you guys are having issues, you want to let us know. But again, we're excited to bring this to you to get you started here and keep you up to date on everything that is happening in the world of real estate tech. And with that, not seeing any other questions. We'll give it another second. Looks like we've got one other one. See if you're looking forward to the updated link this afternoon. Thank you. I'm excited that you guys are excited that you like it. We're excited to bring it to you. And I'll tell you, I used to work with thousands of agents, working with them with tech solutions. And it's so exciting to be able to bring this great education to them now in this role and work with you guys. So we're excited about it. Want to thank you all again for joining. You will receive a recording of the presentation today. And with that, we'll probably go ahead and close it out since I don't see any other questions. All right, guys. Well, with that, happy holidays to all of you. And thanks again for joining.